Hello, I've reached Saigon or Ho Chi Minh City. We reached here around 2 o'clock. 1:30 was supposed to be the landing time, but हम लोगों ने land किया 1:45 के आसपास. By the time we came outside, it was around 2. अभी यहाँ पर हम लोग Airbnb पे पहुँचे हैं. बहुत भूख लगी है. The first thing that we are going to do is unpack some of the stuff that we need right now to take along. This is our Airbnb. It's on the 3rd floor. ये entrance है. On the right hand side is the bathroom. On the left hand side is a small kitchen. Bedroom, balcony. At least एक balcony होना चाहिए ताकि शाम को आराम से you can relax and you can just sit outside and have a sip of tea or a sip of coffee. गुड मॉर्निंग. डे 2 ऑफ हो ची मिन सिटी. आज हम लोग जा रहे हैं मीकोंग डेल्टा एंड कुची टनल्स. इट्स वी वोक अप अराउंड 6:30. अभी कैब लेने आएगी 7:30 बजे के आसपास. इट्स अ लिमोजीन कैब एंड इट्स अ 7-seater. द बेस्ट थिंग इज इट्स क्वाइट चीप. फॉर 5,000 one person you get to do Kuchi tunnels and Mekong Delta, a limousine cab. It's a 12-hour total ride plus tour. अभी 8 o'clock 7:45 to 8 का पिकअप है and the cab will drop us back around 8 o'clock और 8:30. Time to go downstairs. हम लोगों ने breakfast नहीं किया क्योंकि it's an Airbnb, it's an apartment and there is no breakfast. So we had a bun and we had something called sunhi, rice water, and this is quite tasty, not very sweet. इसमें sugar content बिल्कुल नहीं है और इसका टेस्ट अच्छा है. सो वी हैड दिस फॉर क्वाइट सम टाइम. जब से हम यहाँ पर आए हैं वियतनाम में वी आर ड्रिंकिंग दिस. 3-4 बॉटल, 3-4 छोटे बॉटल्स और एक बहुत बड़ा बॉटल हम लोगों ने पी लिया. हमारा जो बिल्डिंग है इस गली में जाके है.
No more shit. And 1 year later, Carlos down UK high school because it's come from the house. Background we make from the wood, and we need about 20 steps to finish the background. Yeah. It's a dark egg. Yeah, we don't use chicken egg because dark egg thicker and the girl be burning color. And now you can see. And now let me show you. Follow me.
It's not yet.
We use the lacquer cover one more time and we polish it again and again. Total. Last step over there. The tire. After polishing, it's very smooth, right?
Yeah.
But not shiny. Yeah. So the worker you cover him. That's the covering.
He's so friendly.
Yeah. Very small. It's a very
small dog.
Very
yes.
small chihuahua.
Yes. But his foot's sore, so don't touch it.
Okay.
Where are you from?
We are from India.
Okay.
And you?
South Africa.
South Africa.
Yes.
Is it quite hot in South Africa or?
Doesn't get like this.
Okay, this is quite humid also.
This is quite humid, but
It's hot like this, but not as humid.
Okay.
we can in some areas we can get close to 40.
Okay. Less than us because we get like around 44 degrees Celsius.
Yeah, it's definitely less than India. Yeah. But we don't get cold at all. So the coldest,
Okay.
for instance, we live in Cape Town,
Okay.
and the coldest in Cape Town I think is maybe 10.
That will be only during winters.
Yeah. Oh, my legs. I don't know how these Vietnamese people do it.
Yeah, they sit on a small.
They sit like this the whole day.
They sit on a small stool also.
Yeah, I've seen some of them, but there was an old lady when we were coming on the bus, and she was just sitting in the street like this.
Okay.
Nothing's wrong. I want to be like that when I'm 90.
ये हम लोग कुची टनल पहुंच गए.
the Vietnam War, you know, Ken Burns, yeah, good movie. Cluster bomb, cluster bomb. Young girl, they teach them fighting. Yeah, that's it.
यहाँ पर सारे वेपन्स रखे हुए हैं डिस्प्ले पे.
Love Trump.
सो ये जो पीछे रॉकेट लॉन्चर्स है ये इट वाज यूज्ड बाय अमेरिकन्स और वियतनामीज के पास सिर्फ गन्स थे. So they fought American might with guns.
American came to Vietnam after 1950. No Vietnam, we call them NVA. Ho Chi Minh, the leader. We call them North Vietnam Army. South Vietnam Army, we call them SVA. Yeah?
Okay.
And we come here, VC.
Okay.
But local people, they said they don't like much about the name VC. VC, that means American Colony. Vietnamese Communist or Victor Charlie. If you visit the War Museum, Victor, that means Victory Charlie.
Victory Charlie. Okay.
But the people here, they call them, they said, call me Gorilla. Black uniform.
Bazooka.
Yeah, a checking tank at the shoulder, yeah?
Yeah.
We start from Saigon, capital of South Vietnam, about 20 years. Yeah, 1976, Tay Loi City, Ho Chi Minh City, yeah. Follow Highway 22nd, turn right and left. Now we are over here. We have lunch right here, I showed you already, yeah? And the river. And connected 11 kilometers on the top. First one, Bến Dược Tunnel. You can see more clear in the brochure. Connecting 11 kilometers away from. First one, Viet Cong headquarters, number 1. Viet Cong headquarters, number 2 here. Okay? Easy. And the blue line, Saigon River on the way here.
Okay.
This become the border line. Whole district area. Cu Chi district, Cu Chi like that. Cu Chi village. 150 square kilometers. Water tank, 2 times a day. Night time we can't go in here. Night time. The water high tide. Turn a few cooler. Then in the day.
Thousands of
Daytime not go in. No. Daytime never. They don't go there. Sometimes they go in the daytime. Why? Because fighting, conflict, fighting. They need to hide and fight.
अब हम लोग जा रहे हैं रियल डील के लिए. वी आर गोइंग टू द कुची टनल. तो टेक्निकली जब जो बोला गया था टनल्स में देयर आर 3 or 4 लेवल्स. पहला लेवल है जहाँ पर कुकिंग, स्लीपिंग, हॉस्पिटलाइजेशन, एजुकेशन है. सेकंड लेवल पे वॉरफेयर है. थर्ड लेवल पे भी वॉरफेयर है. और जगह बहुत छोटा है जाने के लिए.
Bên trái á. Ở ngay bên trái. Angkat tangan macam ni untuk kurus badan. Boleh cuba? Abang cuba? Tak boleh. Kita boleh masuk.
Your glass, yeah, your glass. Check out. Yeah, glass.
Abang apa lắm mà tôi vô em. Vô là đây nè.
ये नीचे जा नहीं पा रहा है.
Okay, you will stop.
Yes, I speak here in the hole.
Bit hip.
No, bigger. Don't try.
Okay, just hold it. You hold it.
Take photo. Take
Okay.
photo. This is the end of my life.
Baca dengan lubang besar sini.
जाओ.
Oh my.
Tadi teruang kat belakang. 48 kilometer tadi.
क्या हो गया?
Belakang lagi.
अब मैं जा रहा हूँ.
You will have to help me. Can you do it?
Bila macam
Hello.
Hi.
You are qualified to become.
Yeah, qualified. I need to have a gun on.
macam rumah saya.
It's so very easy for you. Yeah?
Ibu ayah saya is meant for this.
You video from there.
Macam ada satu tempat sembunyi.
Okay, go.
Jadi
Sige, up.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.
paling panjang.
Put your hand out.
Paling panjang, paling dalam. Tempat lain ada terowong juga. Tapi tak panjang, tak buat macam satu network. Okay, sudah.
No need for us.
No? I'm okay.
How well?
Hold on.
दिस इज ए वेंटिलेशन और ये बिल्कुल नीचे जाता है लेवल 3 लेवल 4 तक।
So when they cook, the smoke comes out over here?
एंड जो वेंटिलेशन है ये बैम्बूस के साथ बैम्बूस इसमें स्टिक किया हुआ है। उसके बाद शायद इसको कवर किया है टू शो एज अ टर्माइट हिल ताकि इस पे अटैक ना हो।
For me, I think they like kung fu fighter. The top we design fishing hook. That means when you step forward down, suddenly they hit inside your body more easy, but you cannot take them out. If you try to bring them out, it damages your body to make more really painful. Yeah? And we don't want tie up direct on the top to the ceiling. They hang the rope here, connect to the left border and connect up to the ceiling. American fighter, we never know how.
पीछे मिलिट्री वर्कशॉप है, यहाँ पर दे मेक वेपन्स, not of mass destruction but weapons to combat American troops.
It's so dangerous. But actually, it is so heavy. 100 and 200 kilograms. And you know that in the back, you know. Another one. And now look at
जो पीछे आवाज़ आ रही है, that's AK-47. So you can shoot. Obviously इसमें money involved होगा. Let me see अगर if it's not very expensive तो मैं भी एक बार ट्राई मारता हूँ, 1-2 हाथ मारता हूँ, देखता हूँ कि how do you feel firing an AK-47. यहाँ पर 60K वियतनामीज डोंग लगेगा सिर्फ एक बुलेट के लिए, which is way too expensive. I'm not going to fire. अगर थोड़ा सस्ता होता है 10,000 के आसपास probably मैं 10 bullets ले सकता था, but 60,000 is too much for one bullet. I would have enjoyed अगर मैं यहाँ से एटलीस्ट एक टनल से जाके क्रॉल करके सेकेंड टनल से निकलता बाहर, बट इसमें बस थोड़ा शो ही है. यू कैन गो डाउन एंड देन यू हैव टू कम अप एट द सेम टाइम. This is not Vietnamese.
Ho Chi Minh sandal.
That's Vietnamese.
Big one for elephants. Here come. They wear this side.
So that's your size.
They walk and run. They walk, run. They leave a mark on the ground.
Okay.
But someday, like trick American, they turn the back side.
Okay. Oh.
They want the little mother over this side. You know?
Okay.
If they follow them, they follow the booby trap.
So that's very clever.
Yeah.
Very clever booby trap. Very clever traps.
And
And very clever way of
sandal, Ho Chi Minh sandal.
confusing the American troops. In all ये बड़े चालू थे. Finally, what he's saying कि हम आगे जाके क्रॉल करेंगे. तो this is something I wanted to do. कि थोड़ा सा टनल तो क्रॉस करूँ. This is finally going to happen now. Yeah, then you can come back if you can't go. So are you coming also?
I'm still behind you.
Yeah. I
Hello.
think maybe you want to go first?
I'm still behind. I'll be behind.
I'll record you.
Yeah. Hello.
फाइनली हम जा रहे हैं, बट ये टनल यहाँ से बड़ा है, आगे जाके शायद छोटा हो जाएगा क्योंकि काफ़ी लोग वापस आ रहे हैं. Yeah, it's a kind of adventure, but I want a smaller tunnel.
Yeah.
This is big.
Not the small one. You get small one.
Okay. शताब्दी आप ठीक हो? अंधेरे में शायद कुछ दिख नहीं रहा होगा, बट हम लोग यहाँ पर है एक छोटा सा टनल. इट्स नॉट वेरी स्मॉल क्योंकि ये पब्लिक के लिए है. दे आर इवन स्मॉलर टनल्स which is not open to public. It's very sweaty. बहुत ज़्यादा पसीना आ रहा है.
Ho Chi Minh Trail.
Be careful. अच्छा था कुची टनल. इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट गाइड के साथ आओ क्योंकि बिना गाइड के साथ तो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग हो सकता है। सो देयर इज़ अ क्रेटर यहाँ पर B-52 गिराया था, B-52 बॉम्ब क्रेटर। आज का कुची टनल का टूर ख़त्म होता है। वी आर गोइंग फॉर लंच खाने के बाद एंड वी आर गोइंग टू गो टू मीकोंग रिवर, मीकोंग डेल्टा।